So in order to make this, we need our bowl and a mixer.
Yeah.
Let's first show what we have. We have this glue, this, and some glitter sparkles. Go. You're gonna pour the entire glue in here. Ready? In here. Pour the entire thing.
Pass me it.
Keep going. All of it, all of it, all of it. Okay, go ahead. And we're gonna add the activator that smells really nice.
No, smell it. It smells.
Smells like cherries.
But it don't smell it to me. And not to Dada.
Hi, Google. You wanna pour?
Yeah.
Pour this all in here. Pour it all in there. All of it, all of it. And the rest of this.
I did it.
Yeah, you got it all. Wow, look at that.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, let's put it in here again. And
Wow.
Let's mix it more. Let's mix it more.
Now you mix it with your hands.
And there you have it, folks. That's how you make slime. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.